Hello everyone, so I'm here to do a makeup tutorial with Amrij Cosmetics. So Amrij has sent me their makeup for women on the go. Yes, that's me. I'm a mom. That's me.
You know when you're a mom and you question your sister, क्या मेरी कोई जिंदगी नहीं है इसके अलावा मैं कभी कुछ कर सकूंगी कि नहीं.
To use Amrij Cosmetics का blush. So always remember to try to put your blush on this side. इससे जो है आपकी cheekbones थोड़ी सी beautiful लगेंगी.
Or yeah, we all need that. Always.
And like I told you, it's really pigmented and very long
I
lasting.
do agree that children, they need us, they need our attention and love, but at the same time, they need their tummies filled as well. And in no time, they're gonna have a long list of wishes that you have to fulfill. So go out and earn. If you want to, if you need to. So in the end, Amrij Cosmetics की selfie ready lipstick मैं यहाँ पे बीच में लगाऊंगी to give that ombre look.
And I had it on for the whole day, super moisturizing, perfect for winter.